guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your travel buddy to your booking.com account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, and after that you should tap on this account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Manage Account, and after that you should tap on Other Travelers, Manage Travelers, and tap on this Add New Traveler button on the right side. Then you should type in the first name and the last name of this person and enter the date of birth. Tap on the Save button down below. And as you can see, your travel buddy has been added to this Other Travelers section. If you want to, you can edit at any time, and you can also remove it. So tap on the OK button and then it will be removed from this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.